Have a good flight?
You bet.
Good.
How's it going?
Okay. That's it?
I think he's about 20 minutes behind me.
Oh, okay.
Between 20 and 30, so
I see.
it won't be too long, but
Yeah. He surely came part way yesterday, didn't he?
he got to Colorado Springs, yep.
Uh-huh.
And then he'll be, yeah, just this trip here, and he's looking forward to it too.
Yeah, that's great.
So, and Steve, the guy flying it, he did all the work to it.
Yeah.
So he knows that airplane better than anybody as far as,
Right.
you know, spending the last 3 years getting
Yeah,
that thing
he's
flying.
that's the kind of people we need to do those kind of work.
Yep.
That sounds familiar.
Take a look.
Oh, it's Dan.
That's Steve Jr., right?
So
Yep, that's
dandy.
Steve Jr. Okay.
Yeah.
Here's Don.
Get out of his seat here real quick.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Oh, man. Wow.
How you doing, sir?
Thanks for bringing it.
Oh, sorry we're a little late.
Yeah.
Worth the wait.
Worth the wait.
No.
Oh, looks good. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Don, this is Steve.
I didn't know you, Steve.
Privileged to meet you.
I think maybe I met your dad years
Oh,
ago.
that would make sense, yeah.
Yeah.
I understand you've been just as eager as Evan, if not more, so
Yeah, right.
glad that I'm finally here for you.
It's been joint excitement we've had for a
Yeah,
while, but
running
this
great,
is
huh?
this is great.
Knock on wood, it's running absolutely perfect, yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and to be able to work with Evan and his family with the project, and knowing that Don was going to be here, really, you know, that was the push, is getting it here so that
Well, thank you.
that this man who deserves so much credit can take it in and experience it again. Because you know, without you, this airplane wouldn't be here. So
Yeah.